Okay, so during this great quarantine time, I saw Julien Solomita make a video making bread, and it inspired me to stay in my pajamas and make bread and have the house smell really good and lift some of my family's spirits up. So this is just gonna be a quick little bread making video, just me, just by myself. But I'm excited. Come on this bread making endeavor with me and get ready for some montages because it's my favorite thing to edit. Okay.
Promise that you'll stay here, you and I can lay here until the end of time. But girl, well, don't you worry about me. It ain't new to me, feeling this lonely, darling. Girl, don't worry about me. But if you're ever unhappy, then maybe, baby, I must let you go. Let you go. Baby, now it's best here to lay me down and rest here. Let's dream of corduroy. Work for what you love to do, and I will watch right over you. With your heart I'll never toy, and you're the other half of me. Dream and sleep and laugh with me. Save me from myself. See, I'm a basket case until I'm able to see your face. You saved me from myself, but girl, don't worry about me.
Ooh,
That's
literally fully bread.
me.
Guys, I made bread.
This
Ooh.
darling, baby. Girl, don't worry about me.
that's good.
Very good.
Cause if you're ever
You're doing that? Oh, wait.
if you're
That one
ever
hurt.
unhappy, if you're ever,
I had a goal today. Make some bread. I achieved that goal.
then maybe, baby, I must let you